Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a high-low haul video. I am so incredibly excited for spring. I feel like we finally left the gloomy weather behind. It's a beautiful day today and I could not be more excited for warmer weather and light layers and all the new spring arrivals. So I have been doing some shopping in preparation for the new season. I'm going to share with you what I got as well as a luxury unboxing. I ticked something off my wish list which has been on there for just the longest time. So I'm super excited about it. I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get started. So I'm kicking things off with a few pieces from Abercrombie. Abercrombie were nice enough to part sponsor this video. I am so in love with their new arrivals and I'm a huge fan of Abercrombie in general. Their pieces are always such great quality, they fit really well, their price point is really great and I'm always just so obsessed with everything on their new arrivals page and I have so many great pieces in today's haul. I will include links to everything in the description section but I'll also pin all the links to a top comment as well if you did want to check anything out. So first up, I wanted your guys' opinion on which colour to keep. So I have the black one and I have this beautiful kind of mint green one. I have another kind of twin tank cardigan set from Abercrombie. I think they're fantastic. They are so cute. They work really well with high-waisted jeans and I just love the combination and the fact that you kind of get two pieces of one. So you can wear each one kind of just by itself, but I love them together. You usually show a little bit of midriff, but only like a tiny bit. And the cardigan combo is just absolutely adorable and I love the fact that it is kind of a twist on the traditional cardigan, which maybe isn't like the trendiest, but then combined with the tank top, I think it just makes for the nicest combo and I love it. I couldn't decide what colour though, so please let me know your thoughts. I have this absolutely beautiful mint green one. This one has like a rib detail all the way over and you can choose to wear it kind of fully buttoned up or you can leave it open, and to be honest I like it both ways. I think it's absolutely adorable. I also have this black one here as well though. I do like my black colours. I always just find them so classic and versatile. I do find them a little bit more versatile than bright shades. That said, it is for spring, so I really can't decide. Let me know if you have thoughts down below. Should I keep the black one or the green one? I feel like maybe both is overkill, I'm not sure. But yeah, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Next up is this absolutely adorable top. I have another one which is kind of a similar style to this one from Abercrombie, but it has slightly longer sleeves. I love the fact this one had more of a 3/4 length sleeve, so it's not super short and it's not full length, it's just kind of in the middle. It makes for a really beautiful design. So this one has a smocked back, so there is quite a bit of stretch, so you can get a really nice fit. And then it's fitted all the way through the body. It has this beautiful sweetheart neckline and the sleeves have like a little bit of a puff sleeve element but not too much, and then you have this kind of cinched in bit at the bottom of the sleeve. I absolutely love this. I love the fact that it's in white as well. Like I don't actually have too many white tops. I tend to go for either a black darker color or like a different color other than white, and this just feels so fresh. I have a lot of white bags as well, so I'm quite happy to be like a little bit matchy and I just thought this was beautiful. The fabric feels really nice and the front bit is actually fully lined as well, so you get a really nice feel on the skin. And it's just a really beautiful one, which I feel like looks way more expensive than it is. I'm just planning on wearing this with jeans, but I actually think it would look really nice with a pleated skirt or any kind of skirt as well. And yeah, I'm just so excited about this. Really lovely and the perfect top for spring. Next up are a pair of jeans, and if you haven't tried Abercrombie denim, I would definitely recommend it. It is so great. I own a few pairs now. I actually also got my mum a couple of pairs as well, and she's equally obsessed. It's all she wears at the moment. They have a lot of stretch to each one, but they're not so stretchy that they lose their shape after washing. They really kind of suck you in and sculpt, but are still crazy comfortable because of that stretch element. So I am a huge fan. I have another pair of black jeans which I wear all the time, and I saw that they released this newer version with the button detail which I absolutely loved. And I just find these so flattering. They're a proper kind of skinny jean. I do get them a little bit kind of shorter. I could probably go for the longer length, but I like them to hit at the ankle length, so it just kind of depends on your preference. They are so comfy, but at the same time it is a fairly substantial denim as well, so as I mentioned, they just kind of suck you in whilst being crazy comfortable to wear. Abercrombie jeans are always my go-to movie theatre jeans because I always want to be really comfy when I'm going to watch a film, and these are nice enough that, you know, they look like a very nice pair of denim, but it feels like you're wearing sweatpants. They're that comfy, so huge fan. I love the look of these and I thought the cut and fit was so nice. Next up is a bodysuit, and again, if you've not tried Abercrombie bodysuits, they are just the best thing. I have so many in my wardrobe now. They really are just such great wardrobe staples that you can really kind of build upon in your daily outfits. And I thought this one was so nice. So this one's actually a little bit different from my other ones. This one has more of like a knit fabric, so it doesn't feel like it would be a bodysuit, but it is. You still get that very, very kind of streamlined silhouette, really, really lovely and flattering, but you have this more kind of very on-trend knit fabric, even though it is a short sleeve one. I thought this is so great. It also kind of knits in very naturally here, if you can see that. So it really does help to give you that shape. You have this beautiful paneling, and I thought this was fantastic. It does come in a few different colors. I went for this more kind of nude one. I really tried hard to not get another black one because I do have quite a few black bodysuits, and I'm super thrilled there. I think it's so beautiful. I feel like this would go with everything as well. And I just thought it was the nicest thing. And now for another knit top. If you can't tell, I'm really into my kind of lighter knits, so things which aren't necessarily sweaters but have that more sweater type fabric. I think they're so cute, especially now for when, you know, the sun is out but it's not necessarily super warm. These are just absolutely perfect, and this top is just right up my street. It is in black, so not super summery, I guess, but I loved how classic it was, and I thought I'd get more use out of the black color. And it's this really beautiful off the shoulder design, so you have this kind of twist front. To be honest, the front reminds me a little bit of a Disney dress, like in a very subtle way, which kind of why I like it as well. It has long sleeves, and it is a kind of close fit in the body, and it's not super long either, so really great for tucking it into high-waisted jeans. You're not having any of that excess bulk. It is a rib design, but it's not overly clingy. There is a very decent amount of stretch, and it just has this really beautiful fold over design, a really nice twist on the traditional off the shoulder top. I thought this was so nice, perfect for this time of year, and just the nicest date night top. And now I have another little black top. I could not resist this one. I thought it was so cute. So this one's definitely a little bit more of a small one, like it's not kind of super huge in terms of the fabric. I thought this was going to be so useful for teaming with skirts. You can also pop it with jeans, shorts if you want to, just really versatile. And I love the fact that you do have this little cutout detail right here, which I thought was so lovely. So it is an off the shoulder style, and then it kind of drapes on one shoulder, but you do have that cutout detail on the one shoulder as well. I love the design of this. There is a fair amount of stretch as well, and it is just a pull-on one, so there's not any zips or anything like that. Just a really nice one that you can kind of pack in your suitcase if you're going away, or otherwise just use as a wardrobe staple to team, as I said, with mini dresses. I'm planning on teaming mine with my Reformation skirts. You can also do jeans if you just wanted like a really nice, easygoing date night outfit without too much fuss. I just think this is fantastic. I love the fit of it, and just super cute. And now for this absolutely beautiful dress. This kind of reminds me of one that I got last year also from Abercrombie, which just became one of my favorite buys. It is the most stunning thing, kind of fits in all the right places, and just the most beautiful little black dress. I saw this and it kind of had similar vibes to me. I thought it was so beautiful. So it has this one strap design, so it's this kind of asymmetrical design. It is more of a skinny strap, and then you have this beautiful kind of fitted body, so it cinches in quite high up on the waist. And then you have this really long slit as well, and it is a midi length one. The fabric is kind of almost like a crepe type fabric, so you do have a fair bit of stretch, but it's also fairly thick and structured as well, just enough to kind of smooth out all your lumps and bumps. And I just thought this was beautiful. It is a zip up one, but as I mentioned, there is a fair bit of stretch in it. In terms of sizing, I would say that if you're in between sizes, you can maybe size down from your normal Abercrombie size. I went for my regular one and it fits great, but I would say it fits maybe slightly bigger than your normal. I will pop all my sizes for reference in the description section and the comment section though. But yeah, I absolutely love this. I thought it was so beautiful. We have a big date night coming up next weekend. Dan got me a kind of theatre show experience for Christmas as one of his gifts, so I think I'm going to wear this then, and I'm just so excited about it. And now for the bag that I have finally ticked off my wish list. So this is from Louis Vuitton. You can probably tell from the orange packaging, which I just realized matches my top today. I bought this online, but they actually gave me a bag with it, which I don't think they've ever done. I've ordered from Louis Vuitton online many times. They never give a bag, so I don't know why the change, but it's always nice to have a bag, I guess. You do also get the invoice and receipt. Yeah, so just kind of with their return policy. And here is the box. It did come with a ribbon, but I obviously tore into it as soon as it arrived. It is the dust bag. And inside, this is another on-prompt piece, so my on-prompt obsession is still alive and kicking. And here it is. So this is the Pochette Felicie, if that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure if I'm wrong, and you know, let me know in the comment section. But I have been eyeing up this bag for a really long time. I had in my head that I was probably going to go for the monogram one, and I actually designed my world tour one where they have the personalization several times, had it in my basket. I don't know why I didn't click checkout. I then saw this bag so much when I was in Mexico. Quite a few girls that were staying in the hotel had it. I thought it looked great, which kind of just made me revisit the whole idea. And then I saw the on-prompt one, which I just thought was so beautiful. So I finally decided to pull the trigger, and I absolutely love it. So I love the fact that you do have the different compartments inside as well. Like, I can never get enough on-prompt accessories. So you do have this little zip pouch, which is very slim, but very neat and very beautifully done. And then you also have this kind of card holder section as well. So you have a pocket right there in the main compartment, and then you have 4 card slots on each side, so 8 in total. I just love the extra design. I'm always a sucker for bags that are just really well thought out and beautifully designed, and I really do think this one is. And then you do have the beautiful chain, which is such a pretty chain. It's a really nice shade of gold, not too bright, not too subtle, just so. Really shiny as well. And then on the inside, you do just have a kind of material inner, and then you have that big pocket on the back. I do kind of wish it was lined in leather. I guess it would be quite a bit more expensive if it was, but I do like the fact that you do have the leather compartments. And I just think this is fantastic. I do like the fact that you can wear it properly as a crossbody. You can also use this as a clutch if you want to. You can use it with pouches, you can use these separately. It just feels like you get quite a bit of bang for your buck. And I'm just really thrilled with it. So I'm very happy that I finally have this in my collection. I feel like I've been looking at this bag for just the longest time. It's not been like a few months, it's been like a couple of years that I constantly revisit this bag, and I'm just super happy to finally have it with me. So yeah, over the moon with this. If you want to know anything about it, let me know. I know it isn't a particularly new style, but yeah, I'm planning on taking this with me on our trip next month, so hopefully I'll get a lot of use out of it then. And now for a couple of clothing pieces from Nordstrom. So first up, this beautiful top. I love tops like this. I thought this was so perfect. I am still very much living in a world of constant Zoom calls, so I'm always looking for really pretty blouses which kind of pop on screen. I thought this was lovely. Like, it's not too in your face, but really a beautiful color. It's a really lovely kind of vibrant cherry red, and the detailing is just so pretty. This fabric is really lovely as well because it just kind of skims and flows in a really flattering way. You have this pleated detail right here on the front. It is a rounded neckline, and then with the sleeves you have this very gentle kind of puff sleeve design, but it's not too exaggerated or anything, so perfect for workwear. Very kind of subtle and streamlined, like not too fancy. I never want anything overly trendy for my workwear, you know, I still want to look professional, all that jazz, and I thought this was just perfect and really pretty, but also casual enough that you could also just wear this on a daily basis as well. So I always do try and make sure that any pieces are as versatile as I can, and I just thought this was just so beautiful. Next up is this beautiful top, and I feel like this one might be a little bit like Marmite in that you either love it or you hate it. I am definitely in the love it category. I just think it's so beautiful. The fabric is so crazy soft. It's this beautiful kind of satiny type fabric. It just glides across the skin. It is so lovely. And then the color is this really stunning kind of silver blue color. And then the print is this beautiful floral print all over, which is pink and purple with the little green leaves. It is a one shoulder design, and you have this ruching effect on the shoulder right here, and then you have a little bit of a cuff on the sleeve also, and then you're ruching all the way down on the side. I thought this was so cute. I'm planning on just wearing it with jeans and maybe a nice pair of heels. It does zip up on the side as well, so you can get a really nice fit. And I just thought this was adorable. It just makes me so excited for all the spring blooms. It's still a little bit kind of wintry outside, but I'm hoping all the new leaves and flowers are going to appear soon. And I just love this one to bits. And now for just a spring dress of dreams. How beautiful is this? I thought the colors were so stunning. So it is this absolutely beautiful yellow color all over. The print is gorgeous. So it's this kind of lilac floral print, but you also have like a slightly deeper yellow as well. It's really, really vibrant and so beautiful. I just like gasped when I saw this. I thought it was the perfect spring summer dress. So you do have tiers on the skirt. It is quite light and flowy as well. It's not lined, but it's not see-through at all. You do have ruching on the back, so there is a decent amount of stretch. And then on the front here, you have this tie. So you can really tie it according to how much of a peekaboo effect you want. You can tie it so you have a big peekaboo effect. You can also tie it so you only get like a little hint of skin. Really, really versatile. It is cinched just under the bust here, and then it flares out ever so slightly, but that flare does get bigger. So it is a kind of proper A-line skirt. You have a gorgeous amount of swish, and I do feel like it's fairly versatile. Like if you wanted to go super dressy, you absolutely could. But if you just wanted to team it with sandals, I think it would be really, really pretty as well. Just the loveliest dress. I am so excited about. And now for another beautiful dress. So I saw this one and I just thought it was lovely. I love the colour. It's another really kind of vibrant cherry red, similar to the piece that I showed earlier. The floral print, as you can tell, I'm a little bit into my floral prints at the moment. It's this more kind of muted, kind of light grey with like a sage green. It's really, really pretty and elegant. And then you have this button detail all the way down the front. I always love a good button detail. And you have this very subtle kind of ruffle detail, but because all the ruffles are the same print and color, it doesn't feel like too much. I feel like sometimes when you combine ruffles and prints, it can look a bit overwhelming, but they've done it in a really nice subtle way, so it just adds a little bit of interest without being so over the top. The straps are also a ruffle detail as well, and you do have a very good amount of stretch on them, and then it just zips up on the side here. It is fully lined as well. I just thought this was the quintessential summer dress, like a really beautiful, vibrant colour. It fits really nicely as well, very comfortable to wear, and just a lovely pop of colour for the coming, hopefully, warm months. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. As usual, I will include links to everything I featured in the description section below. I'll also pop everything in a comment and pin it to the top. I will try to remember to include sizes for reference as well. If you have any other questions for me, then leave me a comment and let me know what your favourite piece was in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, please do give this a thumbs up, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.